A lot of money in his wallet. How you doing, sir? Hey, listen, my partner's just working on a warning for you back there, okay, for the speed, okay? You just can't be going that fast through here. I got you. Where you heading to, man?
Back home.
Where's that at?
Manchester.
Oh, okay. I got you. What brings you up here?
My mother.
Oh, where's she live at?
Up at Hamilton.
Where at?
Hamilton.
Hamilton? I got you. Just come up for the day, or?
Yeah.
Drove all the way up here just for the day?
I'm a truck driver.
Oh, okay.
Truck driver, 3-hour drive.
I got you. Where at Hamilton your mom live?
I'm on the west side.
Over on the west side? I got you.
Yeah, I ain't been up since Christmas. I've been
Drive up. What time did you come up today? 10 o'clock? Okay, I got you. What's that?
Past my bedtime.
Past your bedtime?
Yeah, I'm an old man.
I got you. Where you live at? Damn, you got a hell of a drive still. Yeah.
So you find truck drivers, you think it's a long drive. That's just a short drive.
Yeah, I got you.
And we toboggan out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Your ears are cold.
Yep. Yeah, he's just working on a warning. He'll be a few minutes working on that warning. Your license, everything valid, man? Okay. Yeah, as long as your license is valid, just gonna be a warning. No court, no fines.
Them CDLs.
What's that?
Them CDLs give you tickets on their road.
Yep, I got you.
Hey, Chips.
No, I'm good, man. I appreciate it. I got you. You never been in trouble for anything before, have you, man? No, I'm good. I appreciate it. You been in trouble for anything before, man?
No, not that I know of.
Not that you know of? You
Well,
never had a...
about 5 years ago, I boo-booed a little bit.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I was up there in the street playing, and then that road to survive.
Yeah.
So I was telling I had to take my dad passed away in March.
Yeah.
Left me a bunch of guns.
Yeah.
I didn't believe me that man.
Yeah.
So I took it with me. Mistake.
No good?
No good.
I got you.
I don't live up in just trying to keep what mine.
Yeah.
So just saying.
Would they get you on like some stolen guns or something?
No, in a commercial vehicle.
Oh, okay, just having a gun in a commercial vehicle? I got you. I got you. Not that I care, man. There's any weapons in here?
No.
I'm just curious. I always just ask.
Hey, I'll blame you. It's a dangerous job right here. It's a dangerous job.
Yeah. I got you.
Especially at night.
Huh?
That's especially at night.
Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. Who's your mom live with up there, man? She live by herself? Or?
She's out there. In time, my little sister, but how he said, my niece, wife.
Yeah.
You know.
I got you. How old are you?
I have to say,
I'm just curious.
57.
57? How old's your mother? 82, 83? Gotcha. Yep. I got you. Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay, I got you. Okay, listen, man, you're not hauling anything illegal or anything in here, are you? Nothing illegal in here? No, the large amounts of anything you're trying to haul or anything like that? Okay, I got you. If I was to ask you consent to search the vehicle, man, would you let me search the vehicle real quick? Oh, I mean, just a yes. I got you. Okay. What's that?
Everything in the world.
What's everything in the world? What's that? Oh, I'm just asking, man. I was gonna say, I would just get you on your way. What's that? Okay, I got you. Well, listen, partner. You got a little you've had a lot of pretty nervous behavior sitting here talking to me. Okay.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, you have.
I don't feel nervous.
Okay. You know what I do for a living, man?
What do you do?
I catch drug dealers and drug smugglers. Okay. That's what I do for a living. Okay. Okay. And I work a canine. Okay. So normally, what happens is, you know, I'm not saying you didn't, and I'm not saying you did anything wrong. Okay. But a lot of your mannerisms and gestures while you've been sitting here talking to me, okay, I'm trained to read people, okay? Okay, I'm just asking. Okay, listen, partner, I'm gonna give you your ID back here, okay? But before I let you go, okay, I believe at this point now I've got enough reason. Since I'm gonna deploy my canine, I'm gonna run my canine around your vehicle real quick, okay? Okay, do me a favor and step out for me real quick, okay? Just have you step right back here, okay? Run the dog real quick. So step right back here, man. We'll be just a second, all right?
Okay.
So step right back here for me, my man.
I can't.
What's that?
I can't.
Nice! Get back! Get back! Those 5 shots fired. Send a squad.
Shots fired.
Those 5. Drop the gun! Can you contact Bills 2 immediately? Well, what do you see?
He's still leaving the truck.
Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! Show me your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Both of them! Both of them! Let's move.
No, stay back. I don't know where the gun's at.
Hey! He's reaching.
Tim, we're okay. You got him at gunpoint.
Quit reaching! Stop reaching! Show us your fucking hands now! Show us your fucking hands! I can't see his hands. He's reaching. He's down. You got him? I'm gonna grab his feet, try to drag you back.
Somebody clear the right side. Clear right side.
Gotcha.
Hey! I'm gonna drag you back. You may drag you back.
Move anymore.
I'm gonna holster, Sarge.
Grab this horn. Grab that arm.
Grab that arm.
No gun yet.
No gun. Get him in cuffs. What's that?
Billy, those 10 shots fired.
5 shots fired. Send a squad. You should step right back here, man. We'll be just a second, all right?
Okay.
You should step right back here for me, my man.
I can't.
What's that?
I can't.
Nice! Get back! Get back! No, it's 5 shots fired. Send a squad.
Shots fired, sending squad.
What's that?
I can't.
Nice! Get back! Get back!